Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial. First understand what is replace. Replace return a string where a specified value is replaced with a. Here we have an example, a equal to inside double quotation marks. My name is Luis. When I type here print a, when I hit the run code, I got the answer. My name is Luis. Very simple example. And the next is a equal to inside double quotation marks. My name is Luis. When I type here print a dot replace inside double quotation mark Luis comma inside double quotation marks David, and when I hit the run code it will give the answer. My name is David. Here I have type replace formula. This is why I got the answer. Let's go to PyCharm. Here I will type here a equal to inside double quotation marks my name is Luis. When I will type here print a, when I hit the run code, then I got the answer. My name is Luis. And the next example is a equal to inside double quotation marks. My name is Luis. When I type here print a dot r replace and then type here inside double quotation marks Luis and then comma inside double quotation marks David. When I hit the run code, I got the answer because the old name is Luis and new name is David. When I hit the run code, then I got the answer. My name is David. The next example is we have R index searches the string for the specified value and strings. Here I have an example a equal to inside double quotation marks. Python is a programming language. When I type here print a dot R index inside double quotation marks programming, when I hit the run code I got the answer 12. So let's go to PyCharm and do it. A equal to inside double quotation marks, Python is a programming language. Print R index programming. When I hit the run code, I got the answers 12 because it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have. So A equal to Python is a programming language inside double quotation marks print a dot r index inside double quotation marks Python. When I hit the run code, I got the answer 0. Let's go to PyCharm. So here I have examples. A equal to inside double quotation mark Python is a programming language. When I hit the run code print a dot r index, when I will type here Python, when I hit the run code I got the answer 0. So here we have, because it will start from 0 index. So I got the answers. Python is a programming language 0, because R find searches a string of a specified value and returns. So here I have type here a equal to inside double quotation marks Python welcome Python print a dot r find Python. When I hit the run code I got the answer 8. So let's go to PyCharm. A equal to inside double quotation marks welcome Python. When I will type here print a dot r index, if I will type here Python, when I will hit the run code I got the answer 8. So here we have. And the next example is double quotation mark welcome Python print a dot r find inside double quotation marks welcome. So it is also very simple. A equal to inside double quotation mark welcome Python. When I will type here print a dot r index inside double quotation marks welcome. When I will hit the run code, I got the answer 0 because it will a equal to inside double quotation mark welcome Python print a dot or find inside double quotation mark 0 comma 2 comma 6. When I hit the run code, I got the answer 4 because we have created a range between 2 to 6. So between 2 to 6, here we have 0. So when I will hit the run code, I got the answer 4 because it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have. So let's go to PyCharm. A equal to inside double quotation marks welcome Python. When I type here print a dot r index, when I will type here 0 inside double quotation marks and then comma and then 2 to 6. When I hit the run code, I got the answer 4. So here we have, it will start from 2 to 6, and similarly you can type here if I will just remove it. So here we have, if I want to find E, so how can I type here? I will just type here print a dot r index inside double quotation marks E comma 0 to for example 3 or 4. So when I hit the run code, I got the answer 1 because it will start from 0, 1. Here we have E. So if you want to find a capital P, so print a dot r index and then type here capital P comma, I will type here 0 comma and 10. So when I hit the run code, I got the answer 8 because it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Here we have. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Bye.